Guys, welcome back to another video. It's almost Christmas, and if you're new here, this channel we make a lot of juice over here, healthy stuff for your body. So today guys, let's dive in. We are going to use some strawberry, some cherry, an orange, lime, and a piece of ginger. So we are going to wash them, and we're going to come back and we're going to start our video. So guys, we are going to just cut up a small piece of this ginger, and we're going to keep the skin on it. You don't need to peel your ginger. You're taking away all the health benefits that's in the skin. So I never peel my ginger. Google it, guys. And even if you want to make some real strong ginger ale, you don't have to peel your ginger. Just give me a minute. I'm taking out something from a bottom drawer. Yep. So we're gonna put the ginger in here, toss it over that side, and we are going to, actually I have a gadget for that. Yes, I just remember. So you can pick the strawberries out like that. Just take the stem, this is it. I have a rubbish bin behind me, so you do like this. Actually, you know, I could use these to do some decoration. Yeah. So I'm not gonna throw them away. I'm gonna try and use them. Don't they look nice? I'm gonna try and use them to do some decoration. So we're just gonna use just 4 of the strawberries, just to give it the color. Here you can see it right. And we have our cherry. We take the seed out with this machine. You see, just like that. And you press, and you take your cherry out. And this is the seed. So it's nice to have these little gadgets. You just pop the cherry in like that, and you just squeeze it like this. You see the seed fall out? Yes, you can see it. So we're just gonna do a few of these on camera. Yeah, there you go. So we don't want to have the seeds in the juicer. It can damage your juicer. So we use our little seed gadget, and I wash them and I put them back into this little tray. Didn't want to bother to have so much things to dirty up. Nothing's wrong with using that. So we're gonna just take out the seeds. I'm not gonna spend all the whole time with doing this. I'm just gonna demonstrate just this bit. Okay. So I'm I'm gonna put that aside for a bit, and I'm gonna wash this lemon. We're gonna start by peeling it. So guys, I'm gonna cut this orange out of the bag. I don't want to put it on the board, in the sink, and wash the few that I'm gonna be using. So we are gonna quickly peel our oranges. You can see the water is on them. So we're gonna quickly take the skins off. And these oranges looks very big to go through that juicer, so I think I'm gonna slice them in half. Yep, and we're gonna just chop them over there. And there's a bin behind me, as I said before, so we're gonna go in and peel these fast. And oranges are good for your eyesight. This one size looks good, like it can work. Oh. And I've decided to add some apple. This drink is going to be so nice, and stay until the end for you to see what I'm going to add to it. Oh yeah, it looks like it can go down, but I don't want, when I start juicing, I'm gonna have to be cutting. So this is going to be orange, strawberry, and cherry Christmas punch. Okay guys, and you know, so I'm gonna look for my apple core. So guys, give me a minute. I'm going to look for my apple core, because I need to core these apples. I'll use this medium size one. Core apples. Quickly. Let me use. I have to use a spoon handle. Sometimes I use a straw to push it out. So we're going to just pour this quickly. You know, I've never tried coring. No. One core push, another core out. So this is nice. So this is my cherry core. Like I said before, I wasn't going to do all of them on the I don't want to make this video long and drawn out, so let's just do this quickly. So guys, I'm going to cut this video and do some more these and get back to you, okay? So guys, we are going to start by popping in, what should I start with? The oranges. Let's see if they fit. Yes, they fit. So it's only one piece, so we're going to turn on our juicer and start. So we are going to put an apple in. I'll put another one in. And we are going to put some oranges. 1/2 of an orange. And as you can see, this machine is so quick. The Kuvings REVO830. It is quick. We have a 1/2 of mixing bowl already. And you can make more than one type of drink. It's Christmas, and when you have your visitors come over, you just make this and stay until the end, and you will see what I am going to add to it. So let's pop another apple and one of these big juicy strawberries. And the strawberry supports heart health, and it lowers the blood pressure and regulate blood sugar. So this is an excellent drink with vitamin C. It also boosts the immune system. So now we have a full mixing bowl, and we are going to let out our juice. We're going to serve out our juice in our jug. So we are going to let out our first batch of juice. And wow, look at that. Look how lovely that looks. Oh my goodness. So we're going to continue with our juice, guys. Sorry about that. I don't know how it slipped. But thank God I didn't waste anymore. We're going to dry up that a little spill. Sometimes we have accident. We can't be perfect. So anyway, whole lot is out. We're going to start with the second batch. So we're going to put our lime in. And we're going to put some pieces of ginger in. So let's put a piece of orange first and start the juicer. And this juice with the strawberry, orange, ginger, cherry offer benefits to boost the immune system, high in vitamin C, rich in anti-inflammatory compound, and much more, guys. So, and it also help with the soreness of muscle and joint and immune function. And the cherries help with you to sleep. It has a melatonin and a hormone that helps regulate sleep wake cycle. So this juice may help improve sleep quality. The antioxidant protection in this juice, I know it helps with your cells and help with that they can't be damaged and help with free radicals. So this juice is nice. And look how the cherry, I'm gonna use this to make a smoothie. Look how it looks yummy. I tasted it and they are so sweet. The trash is sweet. We are gonna let out our second batch of juice. Here we go. And this one, everything just mixed together. The orange and the cherry and the strawberry, lime and ginger. So we have a little bit more orange and some cherries. We're going to put those through. Look how rich this looks, guys. We're going to close the cap and we're going to push this aside, and we're going to put our new jug, and we are going to go again. And guys, I have a surprise coming for you on the channel. Be on the lookout for that. We have a new gadget coming. So let's start with putting everything in the juicer. And because the cherries are small, So now you see the flip gate, it closed. So when we turn the juicer on, it will open. So Christmas is only a few weeks away, and I am saying Merry Christmas to everyone. Now I pop a piece of orange, and look at how red and juicy and lovely and refreshing this juice is. Wow. This machine is powerful. Now we have a full mixing bowl. Look at that. And we are going to let out our juice. Now we're gonna let out our third batch of juice. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. This is lovely. So we're gonna serve our drink. So we are almost finished my decoration. Remember I tell you that I was going to use the strawberry, the top of it. I just think of something, so I'm sliding these on. I think we need 4. So this is it. So we are gonna pour some ice. And we are gonna put, I think I need a little bit more ice. Let's go to the fridge. Yeah. So you can have this as your Christmas drink in the center of your table this Christmas. And we are going to just mix it on. Our juice. I don't know, but something else come to me. I think I should try and put just a piece of the strawberry in the glass. We still need more ice in this one. Okay, we have enough. Let's try. Yes, this is what I want. So I want the ice to hold the strawberry in place. So we're gonna push this down. So now we have it. I put a little bit more ice on this one. Yes, guys. And we're gonna just let it go simple. We're gonna pour just a bit to that, and just to make it have the red flavor color. That is pretty. So we're gonna do the same thing. I realize they start to sink at the bottom. Strawberry. Maybe I could do it like this. Yes, this is a better way. Push this to the side. Yes, and now it's holding, but much better. So we're gonna pour some of the. We're gonna have to do it to the side. Let's switch the glass. It's this one already. So let's switch it over closer. we're gonna pour. We're gonna put a little bit of this because we make two different sets. Yes, we wanna let them have the same flavor. That is it. So guys, there you have our Christmas drink. Yes. And if you want, you can add a little sparkle to it. You can add a little sparkle to it for those who want. You can use the margarita mix classic. And you're gonna pour just a small amount into it. Ooh. Yes, that is it. There you have your Christmas drink. Subscribe to the channel for more, guys. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend and thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more. If you want to see more, join the channel and hit the button. It's free, guys. See you in the next video. Let's give you a close-up look. So here is the close-up look, guys. Here is it.